Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create playlists in Djay Pro AI. So all you have to do is open this Djay Pro. You can download it. This is a free version and you can start free trial if you want, but you can try to taste first this app so you can learn about this app. And the first thing to do if you want to create a playlist, here we are. This is the playlist icon. You can tap on, or you can click on this plus icon and add playlist. Here you can name your playlist, for example playlist 1, and done. So there is no song here, so you can add song from this Apple Music. You can sign in here from Tidal, SoundCloud here, then this one Beatport. Next there's a beat source, and this is a music, your own music, iTunes library, and your own folder here. If you have a music that you can add, you can select the folder from your directory. So if you want to add playlist, for example, here you can drag the song into the playlist. I took the song from a SoundCloud. Here we go. This is the how you can add song from to the playlist. So feel free to try. This is a first tutorial for beginner in a Djay Pro. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click the button below. See you in the next video.